Welcome. Bienvenidos. Thank you everybody so much. This is the Madonna del Salso School. We are home of the Crusaders. We're proud of having 55 years of rigorous Catholic education. Madonna del Salso now aligns with Common Core. And today we're looking for supplies and technology for 21st century learning. Thank you for watching and listening. Gracias tanto. First, you can look at the spreadsheet online. We did order the CCS math books with Envision. Thank you everyone for participating and buying items from the firework booth. So we could get our Chromebooks. The kids love them. That's really helped them a lot to have those computers. The NGSS lab room is up and running. We would love donations of microscope, slides, test tubes, science kits, and cleaning supplies for dissections like gloves and Lysol wipes. The kids really like the dissection labs. Please come see our garden ecosystem that was dedicated to our wonderful Bishop Garcia. We miss him so much. Que Dios te bendiga. Thank you so much, McShane's Nursery, for the soil donation, an entire truckload. It was amazing. Thank you, Home Depot, for the wood and the building supply so our alumni can get their Eco Scouts. Thank you, our wonderful Boy Scouts, families, and community sponsors for making this amazing idea come to life. The kids love to be outside in the garden and collect data. Students have written essays about the value of agriculture in Salinas, since we are the salad bowl of the world. Si se puede. Students in 2008 harvested 212 tomatoes, 188 leaves of greens like kales and cabbage, 109 green onions, 57 heads of broccoli, 25 stems of herbs, and they planted 12 types of flowers and succulents to attract pollinators. For this school year, for 2019, we need seeds and plants dropped off at the office. Thank you, families, for doing the PTSA money. Our favorite news is we bought class sets of English scores. That was pretty cool. And a pacing guide. Quarter 1 and 2, we did books. Quarter 3, we did Steinbeck, and quarter 4, we did Shakespeare. For example, 8th grade and 7th grade did Tom Sawyer. So we ordered the Huckleberry Finn for this 8th grade. We now have a stream focus for students for hidden figures. Includes more science and technical reading. And that technical reading really helped them write more and get ready for their science projects and enjoy their science room. Books to Movies was a big hit with the students. Man, they love these new books. And it helped them look for more AR books. And when they do more AR reading and testing, their scores go up because they're reading more. Los niños están leyendo libros que ya son videos y sigo con esta idea. Students really like the books to movie, especially Wonder. They learned about genetics and created PowerPoints about genetic diseases and how to help people that are special. Well, we are in Salinas, right? So we got Grapes of Wrath by Steinbeck. We already had Red Pony and the Pearl, so quarter 3 was dedicated to just Steinbeck books. For Shakespeare, we got Macbeth to add to Romeo and Juliet, always the 6th grade favorite, Hamlet, and Midsummer's Night Dream, which the older kids think is really funny. You can see there, the Hidden Figures was definitely the hardest book to read. It was very technical. That's good because our 8th grade class is one of the smartest we've ever had, and that really raised their test scores to have a high-end book that was related to science, technology, and all the other things they've been studying this year. Es posible, please, there's still some items we need. When you come onto campus to drop off your student, there's a giving tree on campus. It's a bulletin board with a tree made out of construction paper. Each leaf has an item that needs to be donated. You can pick up a leaf that has an item, drop off the item in the office, make sure you sign the spreadsheet, and get some service hours. Items include construction paper, art supplies, small reading books, hula hoops, and chalk for activities. There's also a lot of items needed for this year's game day, always a big fundraiser success. Remember, room parents, to work with the parents of the class to get all the items donated, please, so the event can be a success as it has been in the past, if not even better. Si pueden agarrar las cosas que necesitamos para el Día de los Juegos para los niños, por favor. Gracias. Thank you, families, for helping with donation list for school supplies for class to keep our budget on point. You all donated copy paper. Thank you so much. Students are doing more reading comprehension questions. And so the copy paper made a big difference, and it raises our test scores when students can do more practice questions. Thank you, Ms. M, for the donation of teacher books to make this reading comprehension goal happen. The reading comprehension has gone up 14%. Go MDS. Please add your name, family's name, work name, really anybody. We're trying to make a huge database that we can call people to find donated material or hours because budget's tight, but we love our students. We want to help them. Puedes poner su nombre, el nombre de su familia, alguien que con su trabajo para saber cómo puedo agarrar cosas para la escuela. Gracias. Alumni Drive, please add your name to the list if you're alumni and if you can donate items or supplies. The annual alumni picnic on the grass with Mass is coming up. We'd love to see you all. We might be the poorest school in the district, but we always pray because as Crusaders, we have a strong fighting spirit to keep the doors open to our Catholic school. We're the last one on the east side, and we do so much for the community. Thank you, community, for giving back. Students will be motivated, instructed, and nurtured to be disciplined with Christ in a rigorous school setting. Thank you, everybody, for your patience. Gracias a todos por que hacen para la escuela, and go Crusaders.